Our Kinky curly texture. Let me show you the end. This very small size Kinky curly. This one. We have different size Kinky curly, and this one is the smallest one right now. This we have the matching closure. You see this one. Let me show you the matching closure Kinky curly. This one. It's bouncy. It's still bouncy. This one, and we have the matching frontal, the Kinky curly. Kinky. And you see this very small size Kinky curly. All our frontal are the pre-plug and with the baby hair. The pre-plug natural hairline. This one. To match the this one. It's still soft. It's still very soft. This our Remy hair. This one. You can check this size. This size. You see this size? Very small size.